Hi, I'm Nea. I'm a mother at day and a worker at night. Juggling work and motherly chores are difficult pero walang hindi kaya. I was a contact center representative for 16 years. On the last company I was with, they also had a USRN program. But I was hard declined 3 times. Just because I didn't have hospital experience. Kasi po back in the days, you have to pay sa hospital para kunin ka nila as volunteer. Kumbaga, you have to pay them but you don't have salary. A friend of mine contacted me. Diba wala kang hospital experience pero gusto mong mag-nurse, gusto mong mag-USRN. Yes, nahanap ko niya si Shearwater. So siya po yung nag-refer sa akin. Before joining, I assumed the review would be mostly independent and unstructured experience. In reality, the NCLEX Academy provided a highly structured 6-month self-paced review program that offered far more than academic knowledge. Through a comprehensive syllabus, I was able to manage daily tasks from day 1 while going through spot checks, progress monitoring, and ongoing performance evaluations. Being part of the NCLEX Academy is like being on a guided, worry-free journey toward your USRN dream. With full financial support, structured path that allows you to earn while learning. The program strengthened my knowledge, improved my critical thinking skills, and helped me build the confidence needed to face both the NCLEX and my nursing career ahead. When I left my previous company, there was no assurance na smooth sailing yung magiging process. Napapasa ako agad just because nag-join ako sa Shearwater Health. Pero yung tiwala, disiplina sa sarili na alam kong kaya ko to. Ang sarap sa pakiramdam na itong matandang to pumasa. Ibig sabihin yung mommy brain mo, yung perimenopausal brain mo, brain fog. Kumbaga lahat nalagpasan, lahat nakasagot, di ba? Kaya I'm very thankful po. Hinintay ko muna na makita yung mga children ko na maging successful sa school bago ako nag-focus sa sarili ko. Tapos nung nakita ko na na sila, with honors na sila, ganyan, I think na it's my time naman. Something for myself naman.